Welcome to Dave Tech YouTube channel where I talk about using your electronics, that's your smart TV, your phones, and your computers. I also talk about downloading applications to your smart TV or APKs to your smart TV, which might not be found on Google Play Store. And in this particular video, I want to show you how to download Timvision to your smart TV without Google Play Store. If you find the video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So to download Timvision to your smart TV without Google Play Store, the first thing for you to do is connecting to the internet. After connecting to the internet, you're going to come over to this application called Downloader. Downloader is an intermediate application that I use to search files and APKs to download to my smart TV. It's very easy to use. If you have downloaded your smart TV, you are missing a lot. But to get the application, check the description of this video. There is a link there to get the application. So as you get the application, you come over to the search box and type in Timvision app. I want to download this application to our smart TV without App Store. So what we do is come over here, type in Timvision, and then we'll go ahead and search. As you search, browser is going to show us the very results on the internet what we can use to get the Timvision application to our smart TV. So as you can see on my screen here are the very results. Now, I'm not going to guarantee you that all of these sources are always going to work. Most of the time, some might not even work. You just have to go through them to see which one is going to work for you. So here's the first one. You can try this one to see if it works. If it doesn't work, you can try the Timvision website itself to see if there's an application or if the source there to get the application to your smart TV. Now, here's another option. You can also come over to the APK. If the app doesn't work, you can also download the APK to your smart TV. So if you download the APK to your smart TV, it's just going to download itself and install. So that's another method of getting the application to your smart TV without App Store. And there are also other websites like this which are the APK also. And if these are not enough, you can come over to next and click. So you just have to go through all of these options and choose which one is best for you or which one is going to work for your smart TV and use it to download the application to your smart TV. Subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.